hate myself. Anyway, hello my friends. So, it has been quite a while since I last posted. This is my first video for the new year, so happy new year guys. I hope that you all are having a great new year so far. Today's video, I have been filming for quite some time and I'm barely getting it up now. But as you can see from today's title, it is going to be a little desk makeover, new year, new desk. So, yeah. This is the new desk. I got it from IKEA. She's looking cute. Everything pretty much still looks the same, but like I changed a few things, so she's kind of cute, kind of quirky. But yeah, I just did a little desk makeover and also like a little desk tour. So I hope that you guys will enjoy today's video. But yeah, it feels weird being on camera after so long. Like the last video I think I posted was the Korea vlog, which I still have to upload the rest. So anyways, we will get that uploaded eventually. But yeah, I just keep on rambling. Let's just get into the video. Alright my friends, so this is the current state or the before shot of my desk, and yeah, I plan on changing this area too, so like the little like decor and stuff like that, but mainly I'm gonna be working on my desk. So this is what it looks like before. As you can see, she's like an organized mess if I could describe it, but yeah, I plan to fix some things here, and then I just want to like have my laptop here, so I want to remove this and put it somewhere else, but I'm not totally sure where to put it yet. But I did get a laptop stand that I want to prop over here as well, so that I can put my laptop at a higher level so that it's easier like when it comes to editing, because my back be hurting sometimes. It would be better to have my laptop elevated, so with the laptop stand I think it'll help. But yeah, I do have all of this going on over here. Like I said, she's like an organized mess, and then like I said, I plan on changing the wall art as well on this section of my room. But you know what, we will get it done, you know, she will look better, I hope. Yeah, let's try to get her done. Alright my friends, so something came in the mail today and I want to go ahead and open it with you guys. But before we do that, I want to give a huge thank you to GVG Store for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys are wondering what they are, they're basically an e-commerce page where you're able to find various types of K-fashion inspired by our fave K-pop idols and also actors as well. So who doesn't want to have a matching moment with their bias? Because I obviously do. And purchasing through the website is so easy, so let me go ahead and show you how it works. Navigating through the website is really easy. As you can see here, I'm picking the color of choice, then adding it to my cart. The website automatically converts the price from won to your local currency, so no need to worry. For those outside of Korea, go ahead and click on the worldwide section where you can easily fill out your mailing info. GVG Store offers a variety of payment methods such as credit card or PayPal. I love that through the website you're able to see which idols or celebrities have worn the items. Like I said, we love a matching moment. They offer items from a wide range of brands, providing users with many options to choose from. And with that, let me go ahead and show you the items that I ended up getting. Everything that I got is in this box, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. I'm kind of excited. Oh, ow, ow. So the first pieces I ended up getting are beanies, and these were inspired by BTS's V. So he ended up wearing it in a dance practice. I'll probably leave it here. And this is the brand that they come from. But yeah, I got one in black and then one in like a mustard yellow. So cute. It low-key matches what I'm wearing right now. So let's see. Okay, cute. I'm like looking at myself. I'm like, okay, cute. I love it. Okay, so perfect for the cold weather right now, so love that. But yeah, I got one in black and then one in the mustard yellow, so love it. All right, moving on to the next and last item. So this is a necklace and this is what it comes in. Let's just go ahead and open it. Ooh, okay, cute. I'm already looking at it. I'm like, whoa, that's cute. But yeah, this is the brand that the necklace came from. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, wait. And then on the back of it just has their logo. But yeah, this necklace was worn by Danielle of New Jeans. I love her. And also actress Kim Hee's son. So this is so cute. I am so excited to use this. And also, if you guys are wondering, this brand is very well known among K-pop idols. So definitely check them out. Like I said, I will leave everything down below. They also sent me another necklace as well. But this one has a longer chain, but it's so cute. Okay, so this is what the necklace looks like on me currently. And it's so cute. Oh my god. And then this is the second piece. They're all black and silver, which I love. But yeah, it really matches the vibe that I'm going for right now with my fit, so we love that. But yeah, like I said, I'll make sure to have everything linked down below. But yeah, aside from these items, they also have a wide range of other clothing and accessories to choose from that are also inspired by fellow K-pop idols, so be sure to check them out. The website is also operated in 11 languages, including Japanese, Chinese, and English, so it can be used worldwide. And they not only source from popular Korean brands, but also emerging designer brands to provide a wider range of clothing. clothing. But yeah, make sure to check out GVG Store. I will have everything linked down below if you guys are interested. We could be matchies. We could also be matchies with our biases. So we love that. But yeah, thank you again to GVG Store for sponsoring today's video. And now let's get back into the video. Alright my friends, so I feel like I haven't talked much in this video yet, but it is the next day, and as you can see, the desk is a bit empty now because I ended up clearing a lot of things. As you can see, I put most of the things that were on the desk onto this like little cabinet here, and then I put some stuff up there too, which is also a new addition to my room if you guys didn't know. But yeah, it's kind of cute. It's looking messy right now, but trust that it will look cuter in the future. But anyways, the desk is what we're focusing on right now, but yeah, this is what it looks like so far. She's a little empty because we're going to be moving this out eventually, and then I did end up going to IKEA earlier and I got a new desk, so I'm really excited to be putting it in my room. I don't know, I kind of wanted something for the new year, you know, new year, new desk. But yeah, this is the current setup. We're gonna be moving this out in a bit, and then we're gonna be installing the new one. I ended up getting one of the Alex desks. Is that what it's called? It's one of the basic like white desks that everybody has for like aesthetics. Now I have one. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting it here and hopefully it fits. I measured everything just to make sure, but yeah, everything seems to be going fine so far, so we'll just see how it goes. Yeah, I most likely will just be doing like a little time lapse of everything because like I feel like if I talk too much, it might not work out. So this is the progress that we have so far, so yeah.
아직도 난 격이 흐릿하게 또 의미하겠나 yeah. 아니 자주 난 어제 일처럼 선명하겠나 yeah. 너의 흔적 없지만 있는 것 같아 일상 속에 또 번져 그 색깔이 바래졌어 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는 다가가도 멀게만 느껴져 I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남아서 I just wanna be remembered 너의 잔상 속에 살면서 oh yeah I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남아서 I just wanna be with you babe I just 남겨진 향기 가끔 내 방안을 채워도 여기저기에 숨어 있어 내 맘 곳곳에서 yeah. 너의 의자에 남아있는 온기를 느껴 때때로 먼지 덮인 그 잔들이 시간을 멈춰 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는 너 다가가도 멀게만 느껴져 Just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남아서 I just wanna be
Alright my friends, so it is much later. I am not looking my cutest right now. But anyways, I'm gonna be showing you guys a little tour of my desk. A few things have changed since the last time, but I'm just gonna be showing you guys everything. I feel like I didn't change much, but you know what? Like I said, for the new year, I kind of wanted to fix things up a bit. So yeah, I hope it looks cute. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys. All right, so this is what the desk looks like. Like I said, I ended up getting the Alex desk. I think that's what it's called, from IKEA. And this came separately with it. So this is like the little Alex drawer, and then this is the little desk part of it. This is what the top of the desk looks like. I ended up getting this from Stationery Stash on Instagram. This is like a little like desk pad thing, really cute. Cinnamon roll, love it. And then we have my little clock, and then I have my little figurines here. We got JK, we got Pachaco. As you can see, I'm obsessed with Sanrio, so I had to put him here as well. And then I have a little coaster. This is for my little lights, and then this is my hard drive. Over here we have my laptop situation. So this is what my case looks like currently. I did get this off of Amazon. Yes, this helps so much in terms of like editing and like using my laptop, because my posture is not that cute. So this definitely helped. And then I ended up getting a keyboard as well, and that's also from Amazon. So over here I have my mouse pad, and then this mouse pad is so cute. This is from the NCT and Sanrio collab. So this one is of Jamin, but look at how cute. And then this is my little locker. I also got this off of Amazon, but it basically holds a bunch of like my stationery stuff. Yeah, I just pretty much organized it from the last clip that I showed you guys, but yeah, it's cleaner now, so. And then on top of it, I do have this little cup sleeve that I got from an event a few weeks back, but this is for Stray Kids. But like, look at how cute this is. My friend hosted the event. Sarah, if you're watching this, I love you so much. And then I got this little like washi tape cutter, and this is from Daiso. Okay, and next to it, I have like my little stationery area. So this is where I put like all of my pens and pencils, and this is also from Stationery Stash. As you can see, I have an obsession with Sanrio. I've already mentioned it. And then in here, I decided to put the NCT Dream Special Edition album for Candy. Looking real cute. It looks like a little like cereal box, but I just put it here because it just looks cute. And then over here, I have this like little organizer that I got from Miniso, and this one has Pom Pom Purin. When they dropped the Sanrio collection, I was like, bitch, I need them. So anyways, I just have like my memo notes in here and like fan-made photo cards. I just put them in here for like trading purposes. And then on top of it, I have this little acrylic like standee, and this is so cute. I put Win-Win on it, and then I have a little figurine. Oh, and also I ended up changing my posters, as you can see. So I used to have like my TXT poster and enhypen, but now I put this big NCT Dream poster on here. I really love this concept, so I had to put this up. And then below it, I did put this Jungwon banner that I got from the concert. So cute. And then in this section, I do have my iPad and the little like holder thing.
Mounter, display, iPad holder.
And then I have my little phone holder that's also from Miniso. Cinema Roll, love it. And then I have my headphones over here. Now I would get into these drawers, but they're a little messy right now. But basically I put a lot of stuff that was like, you know, just cluttered on my desk. So as you can see here, I have some stationery. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. So this has like my stationery photo cards. I have washi tape, and then more stationery in here. What's in here? More stationery stuff and a few other things. In here, oh, I have my photo card collection, and then I have my washi tape. I have a hoarding problem, so I have a bunch of washi tape in here, and then more stationery stuff. And then the last two drawers are a mess. So like I said, I'm not gonna be showing you guys, but yeah. But yeah, this is the little desk situation, and I'm gonna be showing you guys this part too. This is really cute. I also got this from IKEA. It's the little pegboard that everybody be having on their Pinterest board. So this is what I have on it currently. I think I might change it up eventually, but this is what it's been looking like. As you can see here, I just have a few photos and photo cards, and I have a lot of like acrylic photo card holders that are from my friends. These are so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with like this aesthetic. In here, I do have like a lot of like photo booth pictures, which I want to put up in my room eventually. So I have those. And then I have this cute little Sunny Angel. Oh my god, yes, it's a little hipper that you can put on like your phone or laptop, but I just put it here for now. And then I have my little name tag from KCON, and then I just decided to put this picture of Jungwon on here. I decorated it, so cute. And then, oh my god, look at how cute this is. This is like a little like stress ball, but it's like of Yoongi and a tangerine. Like, I love it. And then over here I do have some of my collect books, and then I do have this Heesung standee from the enhypen Season's Greetings for this year, and then I just have some random keychains. This one is from Monkey Pants LA. This is so cute. And then I have this Care Bear that I got from Korea. Take me back, honestly. I miss it so much. But yeah, this is like my little pegboard situation currently. And then to the side of it, I do have this picture of Jaemin that I framed, and then this picture of Jake and Jungwon. I love this picture so much. Also decorated it as well. And then above it, I do have this little display that I got from Daiso, and then I have this Pachaco little like keychain ornament, and then this I got from Mitsuwa. It's like a little like a random figurine, but it like moves. It's like a little car situation, but it looks like a hamster. I know it low-key looks a little like creepy, but like it's cute. I like it. And then I have this little like photo card holder for Jaemin, and I also got this from Daiso. And then above it, I do have my Sunny Angels and a few other figurines as well. I'm trying to collect more this year, so eventually this will be filled up. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. They're so cute. I got this acrylic case from Amazon, so I'll probably link everything down below that I've mentioned so far. All right, and now moving from the desk, we do have this cabinet, which I did clean in the previous clips. As you can see here, she's still a work in progress. Like, not everything is like put together yet, but so far I have some albums, and then I have the boys albums over here. I have a few more albums down there, but as you can see, it's still a work in progress, so I'm not gonna be showing you everything. But over here, I do have like a bunch of like stationery stuff as well, and a few books and journals. And then I do have this Sunghoon Picket that I also got from the concert. Over here, I have like a few like postcards and stuff, and also, I guess, shameless self-promote. If you guys happen to be in the San Diego area on February 25th, I'm going to be hosting a Jungwon cup sleeve event, and these are the items that you would be getting. So we have the cup sleeve over here, designed by yours truly. Then we got a little sticker situation, and then this is like a double-sided postcard, which so cute. I am obsessed. But yeah, if you guys are in the area February 25th, please stop by TKR or the Korean Rose. Also, make sure to follow my event page. I'll probably leave it here so you guys can follow. But yeah, stay tuned for more updates. But yeah, I'm so excited to be hosting an event. So yeah. Anyways, like I said, I do have some postcards and photo strips in here. And then in here, I do have like all of my stickers that I use for like trades. And then I have more stationery items in here. And then this is where I keep a lot of my top loaders, my decorated top loaders. So as you can see here, I do have a few photo cards in here. Oh, and then also, this is from the Mamas. This is from the little viewing event that happened in 2021, and I was invited. So thank you so much. Okay, but can we talk about how cute this top loader is? I am obsessed. I just put Jin's photo in it. It's like a little tangerine, but it's like, behind it, I do have some more top loaders and like card sleeves, and then over here I do have like my hand sanitizer, and then I do have more photo cards here that I have yet to organize, but I have Jungwon here. And then we have this Jin tin can from Lamona, and I just basically put all of my pencils and scissors in here. But yeah, that pretty much is this cabinet, and that wraps up my desk tour. So yeah, that is basically what it looks like. It is so cute. I liked how it turned out. Like I said, I didn't make much changes, but you know, she's cute. I still live for it. But yeah, this is what it looks like in whole. And yeah, if you guys want me to do like a full room tour, let me know. I have yet to like really start fixing my room, but if you guys would like to see it, please let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, this is pretty much what my desk looks like so far. Hopefully it doesn't get messy, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. Alright my friends, so that wraps up today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little desk makeover slash desk tour. She's kind of cute, kind of quirky. I still have to fix a few more things, but she's looking cute so far, so. But if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. And also for the new year, let me know what other content you would like to see. I'm trying to like change my content up a bit. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Also make sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram, TikTok. Y'all know the deal already. Also be sure to check out GVG Store. Thank you again for sponsoring today's video. I will have all their links down below so we can be matchies. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope that you all are staying safe, and I hope that you're all having a wonderful New Year's. I will see you guys in the next video. So yeah, all right, bye friends.